Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw USDT from OKX in 2025. If you're holding USDT on OKX and ready to move it to your personal wallet, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Why does this matter? With crypto evolving fast, knowing how to securely withdraw your assets is key to maintaining control over your funds, especially in a year like 2025, where regulations and tech might have shifted a bit. First things first, make sure you're logged into your OKX account. If you haven't already, download the OKX app or head to their website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. It's usually right on the dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies, including USDT. Click on USDT to select it. Next, look for the Withdraw button. It might be under a drop-down menu or a dedicated tab. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. This is crucial. Input the wallet address where you want your USDT to go. Double-check this. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Also, specify the amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum limits or network fees that OKX might charge in 2025. Before you proceed, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a simple step that adds an extra layer of security against potential hacks. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and verify the transaction through any required prompts, like an email or app notification. OKX will process your withdrawal, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always use the correct network for USDT, like Tron or Ethereum, as specified in your wallet. And remember, in 2025, keep an eye out for any new OKX updates or compliance requirements. They could affect fees or processing times. There you have it, folks. You've just withdrawn your USDT from OKX like a pro. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.